So we have here a HTH751. HTH stands for high technology hook, and the 751 represents the hook pattern or shape. This is really similar to MVA8. There are a couple of slight differences. One obviously in the width. This is 50mm wide. MVA8 is only available as 25mm wide. The 751 runs edge to edge, whereas the MVA8 does have a flat strip each side. So it's 25mm wide and it has sort of a 1 or 2mm flat strip each side. Putting the two together, you wouldn't really see much of a difference, but the 751 does have a slight variation in its hook pattern. So this tape is used for medical applications. It's used for things like the fastening on knee pads. It's used in upholstery, particularly where you need a higher profile hook to engage with the loops. If you haven't got a really tight closure where two pieces of upholstery meet, two bits of fabric meet, this is really handy. It is best used with woven loops. It doesn't work very well on velours, so this is a hook tape is only suitable for use with woven loops, and that can be the self-adhesive or the sew-on. The adhesive on the back of this is PS18, so it is the acrylic adhesive. It's a high-tack and it works very well on plastics and on most rigid hard surfaces. There is a chart underneath the description that'll give you the most popular substrates that this will and will not work with. So there we are, that is HTH751.